Welcome back to 2024 Car Update. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of supercars with an exclusive look at the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exhilarating ride. Now, let's talk about the exterior design of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan. This car is a masterpiece of engineering and design, pushing the boundaries of what a supercar can be. Starting at the front, the Huracan features Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED headlights, which not only provide exceptional visibility but also give the car a distinctive, aggressive look. The sharp lines and aerodynamic contours direct airflow seamlessly across the body. From the side, you can truly appreciate the low, wide stance of the Huracan. The sculpted side skirts and the aggressive air intakes highlight the car's performance capabilities. The new 20-inch alloy wheels add to the bold look, while providing superior handling and grip. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Huracan boasts a redesigned diffuser and quad exhaust tips that scream power and performance. The full-width LED taillights wrap around the car, emphasizing its width and giving it an unmistakable presence on the road. The active aerodynamics of the Huracan are truly impressive. The rear spoiler automatically adjusts to optimize downforce and reduce drag, ensuring maximum stability at high speeds. Lamborghini offers a variety of custom paint options and finishes for the Huracan, allowing owners to truly personalize their supercar. Whether you choose a bold, vibrant color or a sleek, understated shade, the Huracan is guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan is not just a car, it's a statement. With its breathtaking design and unparalleled performance, it sets a new standard for supercars. Thanks for watching this exterior review of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan. Make sure to subscribe to 2024 Car Update for more exciting car reviews and updates. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment below letting us know what you think of the new Huracan. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.